Welcome to today's video for Monkey Business MB. I'm going to be showing you how I did my Jessie theme table centers for Luna's third birthday party. Everything that I have here I bought, well, almost everything I bought at the dollar store, including the little bases or the little pots. The dry foam, you can find it at the dollar store. This one I bought at Walmart, but they have some at the dollar store as well. I bought the flowers or sunflowers from the dollar store, and I have two kinds. So for each little pot, I'm going to be making three. I put two kinds of the sunflowers, one that are more darkish orangey and the other one are more yellowish orangey. And the cow print, I have bought it at the Hobby Lobby, and I had left from another DIY that I did, Jessie's costume. So let's get started and do this easy DIY. There you go. This can also be for like fall decor or a farmhouse or a farm party. They're really fun, really cute, really easy. Thank you. Bye-bye.